Let's talk about creating subsets from queries. One way to do this is to create layers. Layers are often mistaken for additional data sets, but they're not the same thing. A layer file or a data layer is generally a subset of an existing larger data set displayed in a certain way. And so you have common operators. You can go through and do the different selections using some of the features and GUIs. And basically it creates this new layer, but it only has the selected features. So if you go to select and you select certain features, you have options like create layer from selected features. And again, note that the new layer still refers to the original feature class, but with all the features, but it only appears to contain this limited selection. So everything's still there, it just looks like it's not. I don't like doing it this way. I prefer to actually take the selection and export it as an entire new data set by using the data tab that you see there below on the screen as opposed to the selection tab. Exporting selections is my preferred method. You simply go to data, export data, the export data thing comes up, you get selected features. You can select the coordinate system options and then the location and click OK and you get the new features. It's an entirely new data set that only contains the things that were selected. So let's look at how we can create a definition query. This redefines a layer to include a subset of actual features. Only the selected features appear on the map or in the table. Has no effect on the data or the storage, and it temporarily treats a layer as being smaller than it actually is. This doesn't require you to make a new data set or anything like that. You simply create the definition query, and then the ones that you ask for is what gets displayed. This would be an example where, for example, say you have a data set for all the counties in a state. You have all this complicated information, but you only want to show a handful of the counties. Maybe you're modeling habitat, for example, and habitat only exists in 5 counties. Well, rather than show the whole state with those 5 counties, you could go in and do a definition in the query builder, only select those 5 counties, and then those 5 counties is what would appear.